Hello everyone! Today we've got a bunch of paper airplanes and let's find out who has the better flies among them all.
Yeah!
Let's go!
Let's watch fireworks outside.
Let's start with United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates! Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! That was high!
One more time!
It's Jarel's turn. Oh, one more! Next one is United Kingdom.
United Kingdom! We live here! Whee!
Whoa!
United Kingdom!
Oh, that's United Kingdom. One more. Look at that.
Why did it land so far?
It flies so smoothly. Woo! And the next one is Canada.
Canada!
Let's go to Canada. Let's go up. One more.
Canada!
I'll try.
Okay, the next one is...
And how about the United States of America? Let's go to United States of America. Whoa! 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 Wow!
That was amazing. One turn.
You go! That's good.
Hey, what happened to you?
Next one is Argentina. Argentina. Wow! 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 Wow!
Argentina!
That was good. One more.
Waiting for the wind.
Go. Whoa! Greece! Greece! Whoa! Whoa! One more try.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Magsak.
So that's cheating.
France! France! Whoa! One more try. For France! Wow!
Again.
Whoa! Australia! Australia! Here you go! Whoa! Whoa!
It's amazing.
Oh, one more try for Australia. Come on.
Again.
That's nice. And Finland.
And Finland.
Finland.
What?
Oh, give it to me.
Finland, you're weird.
Give it to me.
I want to try.
Oh, Finland. Whoa! Whoa! It hit the wall. One more.
The next one is...
Whoa! New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Oh, I'll do it.
I need to do it slow.
New Zealand. Whoa! Whoa, that's too high. Whoa. One more.
No, I think New Zealand is the win.
Give it to me.
New
Let
Zealand.
me try. Whoa, whoa. New Zealand. Let's go for New Zealand. That was whoa.
New Zealand. He win.
Oh,
The
let's go.
winner.
Let's try again. There's Greece.
Let's try all of them.
Argentina. Woo! Of course, the Philippines. Woohoo! Hello. You ready? You good? Germany! Come on, Germany!
That was good.
Germany! Oh.
What happens if I forget that apple too? Go.
Let's
Get
go
the
to
other
Austria. Oh, Australia.
Get that.
Whoa! What else?
Oh, it did a zigzag.
Oh, how about Ukraine? Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
One more time, UK rain.
Ukraine. Canada.
What? Oh no, Ukraine is under.
It's alright. Who do you think has a better airplane?
I know.
Which country?
Hmm.
I saw United Kingdom as the better one. That's for me.
Yeah. The guy.
And the USA, and the Philippines, and the Ukraine.
Ukraine. But Ukraine is under. No. Okay.
And if you like this video, just give us a thumbs up and comment down your thoughts. Thank you very much. See you again next time.
Bye. That was quick.
Let's watch fireworks outside.